Hey guys, so today we are going to explore a little bit around Disney World, not the parks, but we're going to first go to the business center in one of the hotels because I need to print out some paperwork because our printer was out of ink. And then we're gonna go grocery shopping, which isn't that exciting. And then we're gonna walk around Disney Springs, which is super exciting. So I'll bring you guys along. Hey guys, so we just got back from running errands and we ended up going to the Grand Floridian and the business center was closed. So we ended up at the Contemporary Resort and I got my stuff printed there at their business center. And we went to a pizza place and then we came back to we went grocery shopping. So I have groceries for when I move in tomorrow, and then we came back to the hotel. So real quick, I'm going to show you guys what the master bedroom looks like because I didn't get the chance to do that yesterday. So here it is. So like in the other bedroom, there is a mirror and a desk. I don't think the other bedroom doesn't have a desk, it has a table. And it also has a window that looks out at the resort. And you can get a better view of what's out there now. There's a little area with benches out there, which is really cute. So that's what our view is. Got a painting, a reading chair, and a really cute lamp that has a table attached to it, which I think is pretty cool. And then a giant bed. And much like the other two rooms, it has a TV. And it's got this bench, which has a drawer at the bottom of it, which is nice. Another mirror, and behind me a nightstand with a lamp with a horse on it. So yeah, that's what the master bedroom looks like. And now we are going to check out the pool. Even though it's chilly outside, we might go sit in the hot tub for a little bit, and then we're gonna chill out for the rest of the night because that's really all we have to do. And I have to be up early because my check-in's at 9:30, which isn't too early, but I'm gonna go to sleep early because I'm very tired. So yeah, that's all. So yeah, we're gonna go. Also, wait, look at these hidden Mickeys on the headboard of the bed. They're so cute. So yeah, now we're just gonna go to the pool, hang out for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get back here tonight, go to sleep, and get ready to go check in tomorrow and move in. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.